Time now for your weather on the 4s.
All right, welcome back, Utah. Let's get a check of our weather now. Meteorologist Thomas Gieboy. Thomas, I know you've got your eye on kind of the southern part of Utah this morning.
Well, yeah, we're watching that because the southern half of Utah is included in a flash flood watch that's going to be running through today. We'll cover those details in just a moment, but we're seeing more moisture moving its way through the Beehive State, and scattered showers and thunderstorms will be a possibility for most of the state of Utah for today, but that best chance, like we saw yesterday, will be in the southern 2/3. Meanwhile, we're still watching areas of smoke, but the smoke conditions might be a little bit better today compared to what we've seen earlier this week, thanks to that southwesterly flow. And because a little bit more cloud coverage and rain, we're also going to be looking at some slightly cooler temperatures. But the main thing that we'll be watching for today will be the flash flood watch again for the southern 2/3 of the state. This is currently in effect, and this will be lasting into this evening, and it will expire as we go into tonight. But for the areas included in this flash flood watch, make sure that you continue to remain aware of the weather through this morning, through the afternoon, as we could see more rounds of heavy rain that could produce flash flooding. And if your travels take you to any of the national parks in the southern half of the state today, keep in mind, flash flooding is expected in most of them because we're going to see, again, more of those showers and thunderstorms. It will be a good day to kind of put off a hike because there will be better days down the road, especially as we move into the weekend, as we'll be looking at predominantly dry conditions. In the meantime, when we look at the radar currently, we are tracking some heavier rain just to the west of Cedar City and just to the north of St. George, and we've been seeing that just about all morning. So we could be seeing some minor flooding in those areas. Meanwhile, as you travel a little bit farther to the east of I-15, just a few more moderate to light showers there. We've seen a little bit of dry air actually move in the mid-levels of the atmosphere in those spots, which is why we're not seeing as much rain currently east of I-15, but you can still see there's still that surge of moisture, and we also have an upper level low pressure coming in from our northwest. And that's going to help spark more of those showers and thunderstorms today. So that monsoon push of moisture is continuing to be the case. A little bit farther north, here's the view from Alta. It's a beautiful view this morning, a little bit hazy out there, but should be a pretty nice sunrise across the board, especially in the northern half of the state. Probably not going to see too many nice sunrises in the south just because of all the extra cloud coverage. With that southwesterly flow, maybe a little less smoke, and because of that, air quality will improve slightly. Not going to improve too much. Still looking at moderate, but we'll take any progress that we can at this point. And down in the southwestern half of the state, you're looking at good air quality today. So you're watching your weather for you. Scattered showers and thunderstorms going to be a possibility across the state of Utah, with the best chance of rain being in the southern 2/3. Along the Wasatch Front in Salt Lake City, scattered thunderstorms a possibility, and they become a little bit more isolated the farther north you travel. Temperatures also running a bit on the cooler side as hazy conditions prevail in Salt Lake City and areas to the north and off to the northwest. Into tomorrow, those winds they switch more out of the west. That moisture will start to leave us, but there will still be enough for a few lingering showers and a few thunderstorms. But by the time we get into Friday, just about all the moisture moves away to the east. Then we transition back to dry skies. But for today, scattered showers and thunderstorms a possibility as far from Salt Lake City southward, and then isolated thunderstorms possible in Logan with a temperature of 82 degrees. In St. George, scattered thunderstorms today with that continued flooding risk. Make sure that you continue to keep tabs on the weather. Isolated thunderstorms possible for Thursday, then dry skies Friday and Saturday. Isolated showers and thunderstorms Thursday for the Wasatch Front, but scattered thunderstorms and hazy for today, then dry skies this upcoming weekend.